Hello guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a YouTube channel. So first, if you're signed out, you just go click here, but I already have a YouTube channel and signed in, so I don't have to do it. So you just click that button. So I'll just Now, if you're signed in and have a channel, go to settings, and then you click add or manage your channel, and then you can just go to your channel from here too. If you want a new channel, just create a new channel and make your brand name and click create. Now, if you want to upload videos, click to File Explorer and click your location. Mine is videos. Pick your folder and pick one. For example, I'll just select this one. And hello here. Now you can close it, and then can go to YouTube and click create. If you want to go live, but this is just uploading a video. Now go to select files and go to your location, pick a video. Now it's ready to go. And you can have a description, and you can have the thumbnail, which is like the and you can make it yes or no. It's not made for kids. I'll just select no, and then you can pick a thumbnail, which is parts of the video you made. If you want to be done, you can click next. Also, cards are like little links to other videos you posted. If you have any videos, so for example, if I go to Kyle Exum, he's a YouTuber who has cards, and you can make a certain amount of time to start and end those cards. And I'll just press this card changes. You can make your video private, public, or just unlisted. And then, yeah. So That's how you create a YouTube channel and upload a video. And I hope you got this, you guys. I hope this helped you so much. If you want to do that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.